Liam's in the nighttime, right, Liam?
Yeah.
And we're gonna read No More Monkeys, right? This is our new really big book that we bought at Sam's Club, and Liam's gonna help Mommy read it. You ready, Liam?
Yes.
Okay. It was bedtime, so 5 little monkeys took a bath. Then 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas. Then 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. Then 5 little monkeys said goodnight to their mommy. Then 5 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. That's right. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Good job. Yeah, he was crying. See, he's sad because he got a boo-boo, huh? So, wait, move your toes. Move your silly feet. So 4 little monkeys were... Liam, honey, stop moving the book. So 4 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So the mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." That's right. So how many monkeys are here, Liam? How many are right here? 1. Oh! Are you ready to go night-night? Okay, what do you want to read? I'm sorry. You want the 4 monkeys? Okay. So the mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "It hurts." That's right, he hurts. "No more monkeys. No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Which one hurts, Liam? That one does? 2 of them hurt. How come? What happened?
I'm crying.
Well, how come he's crying? Did he fall off the bed?
No.
No. Where's his boo-boo? There it is. That's right. Do you have a boo-boo?
No.
Good. Did you have fun today? Who did you play with?
Today?
You played with Daddy? Who else did you play with? Did you play with Natalie in the nursery? Say nursery? You want to play again? Yeah, we're going to play with Natalie this week. And with Karen and her doggy. You want to play with Karen's doggy? Where'd Liam go? Hey, Liam. Can you say pound, Mommy?
Pound.
Do it again. Ready?
No.
Wait, get back here. Say pound, Mommy. Wait, do it. Go pound, Mommy.
Mommy.
Are you stuck? Ready? Pound, Liam. Pound, Liam. Pound, Liam. Pound, Mommy. Hey, Liam, I like your shirt. It's cute. Hey, what letter is on your shirt? What letter is that? Let me see. I can't see it. What is that one? What's that? A W? It looks like a W from where you are, huh? An M. That's right. Good job. Hey, Liam, can you tell the camera bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say goodnight.
Night.
Say I love you.
You.
Okay, bye. Bye, Liam. Bye, Liam.
Wow.
Whoa, what?
Uh-oh.
Are you stuck again? Give it a kiss. Give the camera a kiss tonight. Oh.
Oh, Mom.
It didn't work, Mom? What happened?
I want ice.
The light's still on? Where am I? Here, you do it. You turn it off. Did it go off? Do it again. Hey, do it again. Hey, Liam, do you want to show the camera how messy your room is? Look at those blocks all over the floor. Say, uh-oh, what a mess. Say, what a mess. Can you want to see? Okay. Can you see? Say, ooh, what a mess.
Why?
What a mess, Mommy. Say bye, Mommy. Hey. Bye, Liam.
I see what?
Now it's time to go night. Come on, bye.